time. Tick, tick, boom.
Get to work. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know I'm going to get copyrighted out the butt for this music, but that's okay, because it's all about you guys. I thought I'd do a fun little video. The air fryer handle got busted off. The stinking tray fell out of the machine, landed on the floor, busted the handle right off. And being the sort of guy that's got a 3D printer, I just can't have that. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and record a quick video showing you guys all the excitement and all of the fun. So taking apart the air fryer, we're going to 3D print a new handle for it. Hope you guys enjoy the music, and I'll pop back in at, important moments. Originally I was going to design my own handle for the thing, but as I got to looking on the internet, turns out I'm not the only one that's got this problem. So I ended up just downloading a handle off the internet, put it through the slicer as you can see here, changed a few of the settings because I've got some new filament up in the machine, and double check everything, and then we're just going to 3D print the one that was already on the internet.
Jerk it out.
One of the things I found works the best for me when finishing the PETG or PETG is a good sand with some decently coarse grit, and then I just hit the thing with a flame. The propane torch works really well for smoothing out any of those little fuzzy edges or any of the strings or hairs that come off of that material, and I personally find that it works the best for me. So what we got here, the self-tapping screws that came in the handle. I'm using those to go ahead and cut the threads into the new 3D printed handle. Works pretty well. I didn't want to show you guys every single one of them, so I just did one for the video. The rest you'll just have to use your imagination. As expected, a perfect fit, and it works so nicely. As always, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share on your socials. We appreciate your support. And keep your eyes peeled. We got that 100 sub special video coming out real soon. I'm working on getting that put together right now. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.